Some of you in crypto space may know that Launchpool is one of the best earning pool in bear market with all new tokens launching, and this program is there for you to farm their tokens, and with bull market coming, it is event more merrier with lot of bigger gain potential. In today's video we will be introducing Bitget latest Launchpool, Vrtx. So before we are getting to the project Launchpool itself, do you know what is Bitget Launchpool? Bitget Launchpool is a free platform for users to stake and farm popular or newly listed tokens. Simply stake with BGB or a designated token in the pool for free. This Bitget program gives everyone a chance to earn good while not requiring a big capital aside. Before we are getting into the further detail, reminder that this event will run from November 21st to November 26th, so make sure you mark the calendar and do not miss any part of the fun. Here is a bit of an overview for the current Launchpool itself. Vrtx is a cross-margin decentralized exchange, DEX, protocol offering spot, perpetuals, and an integrated money market bundled into one vertically integrated application on Arbitrum. Vrtx is powered by a hybrid unified central limit order book, CLOB, an integrated automated market maker, AMM, whose liquidity is augmented as positions from pairwise LP markets populate the order book. Gas fees and MEV are minimized on Vrtx due to the batch transaction and optimistic rollup model of the underlying Arbitrum Layer 2, L2, where Vrtx's smart contracts control the risk engine and core products. Activity 1. Join the Launchpool beginner pool promotion and stake BGB to grab a share of 99,718 Vrtx. Bitget Launchpool new users can stake at least 10 BGB and grab a share of 99,718 Vrtx. Use the Stake Now button to join. Activity 2. Join the Launchpool normal pool promotion, stake BGB, and invite friends to grab a share of 55,842 Vrtx. Bitget Launchpool existing users can stake at least 100 BGB in the Launchpool promotion to grab a share of 55,842 Vrtx. Existing users can also invite friends to grab a share of 3,988 Vrtx. For each friend you successfully invite to sign up and stake in the beginner pool, you can receive 99 Vrtx, up to 495 Vrtx. Supply is limited, so don't miss out. Invited friends will receive 1,000 BGB in Launchpool trading bonuses. Invitees can stake trading bonuses in the beginner pool to earn returns. Here is some guide to make yourself earn a chance to participate. Visit Bitget's website and register or log in. After that, look to the top left and deposit by selecting the desired cryptocurrency from the Buy Crypto area. After depositing, you can buy some BGB, Bitget native token, as this will be used for staking. Stake your BGB on Vrtx Launchpool, which can be found on the Earn section pretty easy. After all these steps, you can enjoy the glorious Launchpool Bitget is having. All I can say, it is a joy to get the tokens. That is all for today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the crypto world together. Remember, trade smart, trade strong, and trade safe with Bitget.